In every city, in every corner of the world, 𝗘𝗪𝗋 is delivering packages with speed and trust. Because we understand that each package isn't just a box, it's a bundle of feelings and commitments. That's why we handle every delivery with special care. Today, we're sharing some highlights of our services. First, our customer reviews. Our satisfied customers are a testament to our quality service. Hear their experiences and discover why 𝗘𝗪𝗋 is your best choice for shipping. 𝗘𝗪𝗋 has been a lifesaver for our business, delivering our packages on time every time, says Jane from a local bakery. And Tom, a small business owner, shares, their attention to detail and care is second to none. Our fragile items always arrive in perfect condition. Next, get a glimpse behind the scenes. See our hardworking team diligently ensuring each parcel is delivered safely and on time. Don't miss out on this week's special offer. Book your delivery with 𝗘𝗪𝗋 and enjoy exclusive discounts. And finally, learn some tips and tricks for packing your parcels safely. We'll guide you on how to keep your items safe during transit. With every parcel, we deliver trust and love. For your city, for you, 𝗘𝗪𝗋 is always ready. Choose 𝗘𝗪𝗋, your reliable partner in safe shipping.